right, so we've cut off, or we put slices in the excess paper, and now I'm just gonna fold it till it hits, I'll fold it inside till it hits the toilet paper tube. And on the other side, do the same thing. Just fold it in until it hits the toilet paper tube. You want to make sure those ends stay curled around the sides if they're folded nice. Okay? Now, what I do, just because I'm that kind of person, is I'm going to, it's a little crooked. All right, I'm going to take a piece of paper from my leaf paper, and I'm actually gonna put it on the inside of this toilet paper roll. So in order to do this, you need to cut a piece of paper that is smaller than the toilet paper roll. So I'm going to again eyeball it. So I'm gonna roll this around, right? And the idea is to make it small enough that it fits inside all of the excess toilet paper, all of the excess construction paper, okay? Now that I know that it fits, okay, I'm going to put glue on this paper on the back of it. And it's just, you don't need to do this. You could just secure those little tabs inside. I just like to do this because it visually is a little, makes it a little tighter. So I'm just gonna, again, make this smaller than the toilet paper roll inside. Shove it in there. You gotta get it underneath the paper tabs on the other side. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now, you take your fingers and you go inside the circle and you make sure the paper adheres to the sides. And now, though they can't really see it, inside is the other paper, so they wouldn't, and the green tab things won't come out. You find the seam of that, and you take your stapler, baby stapler, but a regular stapler would work just as well. You find the seam on the bottom, you put it onto your cardboard that you've already wrapped, and you staple it. I'm gonna put two. You really can't see them. And I think it just makes it a little bit more durable. Okay, so now all we need is the last step, which is the little lip thing that prevents your phone from falling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some cardboard. If she has cardboard, and she does. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut out a square. you're going to cut out a rectangle rather, and place it somewhere around here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out, I need maybe 3 thicknesses to make sure that it doesn't, that the phone doesn't fall or slide. So let's say this is our first piece of cardboard, right? I'm gonna square it off because it's a little diagonal. Now I'm gonna cut 2 more pieces just this size. So I just put it onto the cardboard and hold it as my template. And then I cut. Eyeball it. It's pretty close. I just want to make sure everything matches. So that's 2 thicknesses. I want to do 3. So again, I'm going to take the first piece, hold it onto my cardboard. You could draw it onto the cardboard and cut it that way if you are uncomfortable eyeballing. And then once you have your 3rd piece, we're ready to go on to the next step. I'll be right back.